Welcome to our English lesson.
Today, we'll learn how to use two past indefinite verbs in one sentence through real-life examples. Let's get started. She forgot her keys and blamed me for it. I searched a lot and finally found the ring of your choice. I just mopped the floor and you made footprints on it. The wind blew and scattered the leaves all over the house. I forgot to bring in the clothes and they got wet and muddy. Mia folded the laundry and the kids threw it all over the bed. I opened the cupboard and saw ants crawl inside. He opened the box and found it empty. I thought we lost the deal. The kids tore the check that my manager handed to me. A dog barked at me and I almost fell over a rock. After they left for their own work, the house became quiet again. I went to the shopping mall and bought a pair of earrings. I apologized because I realized my mistake. He fell down and hurt his knee. The thief broke the window and escaped through it. He finished work, then went home. She bargained with the shopkeeper and got a discount. He had breakfast and left for work. I had a long day, so I went to bed early. We had a fight and didn't talk for days. We had dinner and went to bed. We did our best and completed the task on time. He did his homework and went to play. I did my part and expected the same from others. I spent too much on things I didn't need. I trusted people who didn't deserve it. Mom didn't even scold me but ignored me all day. We didn't stay long at the party and didn't meet everyone. She didn't make the dinner herself, she ordered it. I didn't know how to start, so I watched some videos. You spilled the tea on the blanket and didn't even clean it up. I knew that he didn't do anything wrong. I gave time to people who didn't value it. I called her, but she didn't answer. I didn't want to wake him up because he came home exhausted. In a hurry, he didn't even notice that his shoes didn't match. You didn't only save me, but made my work easy. She not only worked day and night, but also refused to give up. The company not only raised salaries, but also reduced working hours. The shopkeeper not only gave a discount, but also packed everything nicely. You not only broke the vase, but also blamed your brother. She not only cleaned the house, but also cooked dinner. Did you finish the report and send it to the manager? Did my cousins come over after I went to school? Did you forget what happened that day? Did he disconnect the call or it happened automatically? Did you forget what we agreed on? Why did you laugh and walk away like that? You went shopping and forgot the main item, didn't you? How did you find out I spoke to Mom? Did you see which way they ran? You met her and told her everything, didn't you? Thanks for watching.